Good morning, good evening, everybody. Something is behind this business. We must talk the truth. Satoshi, when they start this project, personally, I didn't know that, but I've been involved lately, but we worked so hard. Nobody told us about concern the prohibited area. I'm so sorry about you guys, everybody. Then I gonna tell you something. Then I'm keep looking. Where's the truth? The truth is somewhere. You play with the fire, you'll be burned. Satoshi is hiding something. I guarantee you something's wrong here. We never hear about prohibited. And last day to move the money, to take the money to the MetaMask for the AIRDROP, this message we received here in Canada and the United States region. What is about that? Something's wrong. They can play with anything, but the huge area, big money is here. And why? They don't want us, they don't want the area to withdraw the money. Something's wrong there. I'm telling you, it's no joke. If the business was legit, everybody who did work, he should receive his benefit. Is another point. Let's look at, okay? You see all those information, they are good. We worked. We didn't play. And I don't know why. Why we cannot receive the benefit? Why we cannot receive the benefit? Okay? If the business is legit, I would say that is not kind of a discrimination they're supposed to do to the people who've been in the business, then they cannot receive their benefit. I have this person, so many messages now still coming. They said they're gonna pay you, we're gonna the money we're gonna on the 6th of February and the 15th of May. Okay, look at here. This person here, I was looking here. She said the name is there. Can I hide name? Sherry Whitaker. Hello, all hello. All I'm actually speaking with those that are in the United States and Canada or the other section countries. I'm one of those, and I have been denied withdrawal privilege from core. That is ridiculous. And other side, some people they say, oh no, you should take the VPN. We don't care. We're not illegal. We are legal people, guys. Don't take this like we are working for the people that come in to rob us and go. No. Good evening. We Cuban who were insecure and made the currency a reality, make a request to the CoreDAO community and to the administrator to support all Cuban because we do not have access to the Satoshi Core. We are banned. Please help us. Do you think the normal business is legal? People kind of cry like this? Julio Cesar Masso Blanco in Cuba. Do you think if the business is legal, people are gonna cry like that? They work and they cannot receive their benefit? Sorry about it, guys. Okay, I wish I could help you. Hell, I can't even help myself at this point. Not their core is concerned. That is really looking like very bad. I hope then even the people they withdraw, they're gonna receive that. Okay, I have another one here. We must do something for the hard work we done. Nobody told us about the prohibited action in Canada, United States and zone, area, region. We spend time, energy, all for to get restriction in the AIRDROP. That is not good at all. Pure discrimination. Please let's do our best to know the truth. I agree. Okay, is another one here. Look at here, the message still coming. You're gonna find it. A lot of people gotta, you know, it would have been really nice if you were informed that our effort would have been in vain. Instead, they used us. I hear that pie is different, that they will allow United States and so forth, but I asked locked up all my pie, so I can't even touch that until a year after pie launch. You see, the comparison is clear. If this area, it was like, okay, Canada, United States, Cuba, you guys, you are a criminal, we don't need you, ban before the people they sign. Hell, okay, let's see, we're still going, guys, this is ridiculous. Is it ridiculous? Look at what they put here. You can do this, and in Canada, United States, we cannot do that. And you can change link and blah, 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 blah. This company, this is not going to be, if I'm an investor, I put my deposit, I gotta hold a little bit more. Because this is not look like very good. We should pay attention. It's not something, it's not a joke, it's a money. We're talking about the money. They keep sending out, the people they keep 1,000 by the court. I will see that. I would like to see that. It's really, really bad. That is a smoke. Is it that kind of a smoke? We cannot see that even when it can come in. Did you miss call? Blah blah blah, and get more. That I don't need to see some of the rubbish there. Okay, guys, it's not just here. In this is what is the page of that is core AIRDROP launching. That is in the Facebook, and if you come here and Twitter, we have this one here. Core is very scarce. Core is very valuable. Yeah, we trust. We did our best. Okay, Core DAO. Okay, Core DAO at status. We are aware that there is a lot of activity claiming to involve Core that isn't credible and could be scam. There is a very low circulation of Core. Cores, yes, because you want that, you want to keep that secret. Is a business. You should not do that. You don't need to keep the business secret. The business is legit. Put it for everybody. Everybody works. Give that benefit. We're gonna work for to make that legit. We're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it grow the price as the people they're gonna feel safe. We don't need the rubbish business, stealing people money and run out, stealing people effort and run out. No way. And people, I'm telling you, the Web3 is something it's gonna make people money, and we don't need kind of the business. They gonna discriminate the business. They gotta rob people. We don't need that. And sorry, this is my part. I just expressed to tell you then I'm not happy about what I did. I don't want to see this kind of the thing happen to everybody. And if you are with me, share this until they can come in for the reaction to say then everybody who participates gonna receive his benefit. Thank you so much.